Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what are the basic things that you need to do whenever you create a new channel. So as you can see, I have just created a new channel here, and what you're going to do is go to the YouTube studio. So we are going to the studio.youtube.com. Now if you have multiple channels, then you need to go to the channel that you just created. Okay, now it is giving welcome to YouTube studio. You can click on continue. It is also giving for the dark theme YouTube studio. Okay, we certainly don't need to do that right now. Now what you can do, go to the left hand side and click on settings here. Now click on channels. Now as you can see here, basic info it is asking, so I'm going to click on country of residence. You need to fill all these things. Okay, press the first letter. Okay, it's not coming like that, so simply scroll down to your country. I need to enter the keywords on the topics on which you are going to make the video. Okay, so I'm going to simply make on like Facebook tutorial, Instagram tutorial, WhatsApp tutorial. Okay, something like that. You need to fill these things. iPhone tutorial, MacBook tutorials. Okay, Microsoft Office tutorials, and something like that. You need to fill all these things. Okay, so there is a 500 character limit, so you can fill till 500. So you can go and search for the keywords on the topic on which your channel you are going to make the channel. So once you do that, you can fill these things here. Now go to the advanced settings. Now click on no, this channel is not made for kids, because normally we do not make for kids. Okay, now scroll down again. Click on feature visibility. Now standard features are enabled. Now intermediate features, that is videos over 15 minutes and custom thumbnails and live streaming, those are you are eligible, but it is right now not enabled. So you need to click on this little arrow here and click on verify phone number. Text me the verification code. What is your phone number? You need to also there is a note, up to 2 channels can be verified per phone number per year. Now so I am going to enter my phone number here. Text me the verification code. Click on get code. Now you need to enter the code here. Check your phone. So we have entered the code. Now click on submit, and now congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Now I can close out this window. Okay, now you can see it just turned to enabled. Now go to the next one, advanced features. Increase daily video uploads and live stream, and eligibility to apply for monetization. Click on this little arrow here. Now what are to get advanced features, you need intermediate features enabled, and one of these video verification, valid ID, channel history. Okay, let me click on access features here. Normally we can go and do the use video verification. Click on next. Get email to start verification on your phone. Get email. Okay, now I'm going to check for the email here, and then we will make a 30-second video as requested in the email. Click on done. So I checked my email and there was a circle coming after clicking the link on the email, and you need to put your face just by being in front of the camera. Then there will be a dot will be coming that you need to follow with your eyes, and then you need to turn your head left or right as requested by Google, and then everything will be verified. So it is still processing there. Then a message will appear that your video is in review. So once you do this, click on save here. Now again click on settings and click on upload defaults. Now you don't need to fill the title or description. You can fill the visibility, however I don't recommend it. Tags, that is also you don't need to fill, because with every topic your tags will be changing. I need to click on advanced settings here. Now there are a few things that you can fill here. Now one of the things is category. Now I always make videos on how to or science and tech, so I can choose one of the categories. So I will be going to the category here, and I'm going to choose science and technology, and then video language. So I can click here, and I'm going to select, because this is a new channel, so I'm going to make in my language, that is Hindi. Title and description language, that you don't need to fill, because it will be both Hindi, combination of my local language and the English language. There is no need to fill caption certification and all that things. Comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can also increase the strictness. So once you are done here, click on save again. Now again click on settings, go to permissions, and you don't need to do anything. If you want to assign a role manager, page manager, editor and all those things, then you can do it from here. However, there is no requirement as of now, so we won't be doing anything in here. Go to the community tab. So community tab is not available to everyone. You need some certain number of subscribers in order to use the community tab. However, you can use some certain block words you can enter here, so that people won't be able to comment with those words. Click on defaults, see if anything that you can do here. There's nothing. Click on agreements, and there is nothing to do in the agreements. Okay, so there are two more things that you can do. One is the thumbnail for your YouTube channel itself. Okay, and the second thing is to create a channel art for your channel. So we will be going to the channel here, and see, as you can see, there is no channel art or there is no logo as of now. So you can see the camera option is coming. You can click on the camera option. Okay, so now we reach the channel customization page here, and now you can see picture. You can upload it here, and banner image, or we can say the channel art, you can upload it here. Now you can also see the sizes are well mentioned here, so please adhere to the sizes in both the photos. Okay, 98 into 98 pixels. Now there is also something called video watermark that you can do. It will appear just on the right, on the bottom right hand side of your video. So it will be 150 into 150 pixels. So when you do this, simply click on publish here. You can also go and check the basic info here. Okay, now your channel name and description. So name is already there. You need to enter description of the channel, what you're going to do, what is your motto, what is your aim, and something like that. Channel URL. After some time you'll be able to create a customized URL. You can also add links to your websites if there are any. You can also give the contact info and all those things, right? And there is also something called add language. You can also do that. Now you can go to the layout section. Now layout is actually very important for the channel, because new people will be visiting the channel homepage, and from here you can design how it's going to look. You can enable a featured video, or you can enable a channel trailer if you have made one. Okay, so you can, all those settings are from here. You can click on add, you can click on add from here. Now then there are certain featured section. Short videos will be seen on a different section, and your normal uploads will be seen on a different section. And you can also click on add section from here. You can see, you can show popular uploads, you can show short videos, past live streams, upcoming playlists, single, created, or multiple. Then you can also show subscription and featured channels. So these are the things that you can add multiple sections onto the home page of your YouTube channel, this new YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the basic settings that you need to complete before uploading your first video, so that when you upload your first video, or you upload your first 5 videos together, then your channel will look complete. If somebody's coming there, it will look all good, and it will also look good in the eyes of the Google, because all your normal things are completed, like logo, name, keywords, and all those things. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.